Jail for what? I take
Trespass
something.
after warning. She does
After
not want
warning.
you in this store. She told you you can't come back here.
You
I told you you have to leave.
Check the juice.
Hey,
what?
it's my
Hey, what?
truck, okay?
Hey, what?
It's my truck.
Hey,
Listen,
what?
if you do not
Hey,
leave,
what?
if you do not
I don't
leave,
take something. Hey, what?
if you do not leave, you are going to go.
No, I don't leave. Put me not laugh, huh?
If you
On the 20th of May 2023, she walks in with a $1.34 juice and a receipt. Seconds later, she's in a full-blown standoff with Family Dollar security over a trespass warning.
What's going on?
Yeah, I just come and buy the juice for $1.34. This is my receipt. Just follow me. Look at my bag and the car share. Just follow me right here. I finish checking. Just follow me in the front door. Try to take my picture. I say, what happened? He say, nothing. What happened? Still look at my bag. Okay, this is the juice, $1.34.
What's the issue?
How you doing, sir? I'm the store manager, Christina.
Nice to meet you.
She came, didn't say one word to her.
Right.
She was there. I cashed her out. She's the one that giving me eye contact and keep looking back at me. So I just start giving her the eye contact back while she's exiting the door. So when I finished cashed her out, I just stood right here. Never asked her for her bag or anything. Didn't say nothing, sir. I just watch everybody who comes in and out.
Right.
She made a scene.
Why you call the police?
And she came back in here to me. So I backed up and stood over there. I'm like, we have a problem?
Right.
You watching me. I said, I'm entitled to watch everyone in the store. She came back in here. She told me to call the police. So I went ahead and called the police. Okay. So can you please give her no trespassing for me, please?
You got your ID?
I don't have ID.
You don't have any ID?
Yes.
Nothing on you. All right, well, let's go outside. I got to get your name. She doesn't want you to come back in the store, all right?
Come back?
Ever.
What do you mean come back in the store?
You cannot come here anymore, is what I'm telling you.
Okay, go ahead. Do it.
Okay, come on. Let's go outside real quick.
What me not them learn store?
What? This store, you cannot come back to Family Dollar. This store.
Family Dollar. I buy something. You say I don't come back on Family Dollar. What does that mean?
You cannot come back here.
What does that come back? I'm on the front door, right? I'm in the front door. She's tried to take my picture.
Okay, but this is the problem.
Okay.
If you would have just
Check
left,
my bag.
if you would have left,
Check my
it
bag.
wouldn't be an issue.
Check my bag.
Now I'm telling you, you have to leave the
Check
store.
my bag.
If you don't leave the store,
I don't leave the store.
You're
You
going to go to
understand?
jail.
You don't understand?
You are going to go to
Go
jail. Do
ahead.
you understand
Go
that?
ahead. Yes. Go ahead. Check my bag.
Yeah, I'm not going to check your bag. I'm going to take you to jail.
No.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Do it right here.
Let's go.
Give me the report. Do it right here.
No, we're doing that. We're doing that outside. I have no idea what you just said.
Finish. Do it.
Okay, let's go outside so we can do it.
Do it.
Come on. You gotta go. You gotta go. I'm gonna just wait for a female to get here.
Okay.
And then
No problem.
we'll handle it from there.
Yeah.
You do understand if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail, right?
I don't leave. You understand me? I don't leave. You make trouble. I just come in. I don't drink nothing.
Right,
I just come in and she's follow me.
Right.
I stay in the front door. She say, what happened? You just follow me. Try to take my picture.
I get that.
Yeah.
Okay. You're in public. Anybody could take your picture.
What does that mean? Picture for what?
I don't know.
I take something in the store?
She never said that, did she?
She never said that. Why? She never said that. You said you're supposed to check my picture. Why supposed to check my picture? You take. I'm dumb.
Listen.
Okay, check my bag.
Either way.
You don't understand?
All right, you want to
check
give me
my
your bag?
bag.
Here, let me get your bag.
Okay. Give me back. Wap check avant et puis make me note là.
Let me get
Bon pas déplacer là.
Let me get it.
Let me pas déplacer.
See, now you're breaking things.
No, let me pas déplacer fini. Après minute là. Make for the minute.
Are you going to leave here voluntarily or do I have to take you to jail?
Jail for what? I take
Trespass
something.
after warning. She does not want you in this store. She told you you can't come back here. I told you you have to leave.
Check the juice. Hey, what?
It's my
hey, what?
Okay?
Hey, what? Hey, what?
If you do not leave.
Hey, what?
If you do not
I don't
leave,
take something. Hey, what?
If you do not leave, you are going to go.
No, I don't leave. Put me not là avant.
If you do not leave.
Put me not là avant. Papa monte machine moi minute avant monte machine non. That's it.
If you do not leave, it's considered trespass after warning. I don't want to take you to jail.
Jail for what?
For trespass after warning. I was told.
I don't take nothing.
You were told you have to leave.
Leave
the store.
Leave the store?
Just
okay.
leave the store.
Check the camera. Check the
Just
camera.
leave the store.
No, I don't leave.
So what, you're going to stay here?
Check the minute. Put the minute. Report la m'a besoin. Give me the report. What now? Perfect.
2132. What's good too?
Mam report la konya.
Huh?
What you say?
I don't speak.
Sirem, vous m'en sou capable. Fréquent. Enfin nous quitter fréquent jodi. Bon c'est vrai sim là. Mam mettre un sim en dans ça.
I'm just stand by.
Mam mettre en dans ça.
Listen, man, I'd much rather you just leave
I
the
don't
store.
leave the store until you put the
jail.
minute in my hand. For stuff I take it in the store.
You want me...
Voilà, fréquent, monsieur. Vous m'avez acheté, non, si je acheter, I buy something, I pay your money, my money.
Right, but it's the scene. You're making a big scene.
Well, get out of my face.
Now, I'm not going to get out of your face.
Yes,
because you're going to go to jail.
Yes, get out of my face.
You're going to go very soon.
You don't show me my proof.
You don't show me proof.
You don't show me proof.
I don't need.
You don't understand.
The proof is, did she not ask you to leave the store?
Why did she call the police for me? Why she call the police for me?
Did she ask you to leave the store?
Okay, okay, I don't leave nothing until you put the minute in my hand. That's set and finish.
Okay, come outside with me real quick. Come outside.
You have proof?
Come outside.
You have proof? I said no.
Come outside.
I said no.
Alright, well we're just gonna hang out here.
I said no, I'm finished. I'm seeing there, like I'm finished. That's set. Show me proof.
Nobody's saying you
Show
stole
me
anything.
proof.
Nobody's saying you stole anything at all.
Mom, ça m'a jeté. Ma balle non gel la comme ça.
They're saying you
Mais
have,
aussi.
they're saying you have to leave the store.
Sous la tête.
They're saying you have to leave the store. They don't want you back in this store.
Okay, I'm finished. Met minute là. Konya avant moi gain konya. You.
Me what?
Minute là right here. I leave.
You want to go to jail?
Yes. Go ahead.
Why? Why?
Show me proof là avant.
All I'm saying is you got to
Fréquente
leave.
parce que je vais montrer la 3 fois, oui. Montrer la 3 fois, m'acheter, me payer. Ils suivent moi. Depuis dans le cachet, la garde valise. Je suis gain. What happened? I said no, ils suivent moi juste dans le fond de là. Je viens acheter ça, ils suivent moi pour me payer. On viens acheter pour me boire. Show me proof. That's it. I'm finished. I'm seeing d'elle.
She's refusing to leave the store, so I'm going 10-15.
No, but leave the store until you say I go to jail. You don't have proof. I buy something, I have my receipt in my hand. Parce que while you were bag, look at the bag.
This is your last chance.
Let's choose for what?
Right now?
Okay. Would you want me to know jail? Maybe. Sure. But yes.
Nope, I gave you your shot.
Okay. That's it. Yes. All right. Let's get the bag. Take the bag.
Do not.
I said take the bag.
Do not move it.
Look at me.
I'll probably have to loosen that one.
No. They're both fine.
Oh, yeah.
I understand.
You're
going to jail.
No.
You're going to jail.
This is my receipt. I don't take it.
20 chances.
This is my receipt. Receipt I'm pas prêt même. Là pour receipt arrêter dans même.
All right.
Stop. Stop for what? Receipt non mais moi venir stop.
Hey.
Quand on parle à receipt la game. Receipt non mais moi venir for what?
I'm not playing games.
La game, moi pas connaître.
Go. Do you have any knives? 23.
Good.
Pas moi aider them. Pas divine. Pas moi don't touch my stuff.
Oh.
cannot have anything in yours. Person, man. Let go.
This is my receipt. Don't take it.
Let go.
Mama, muito abim le go qui ça.
Let go of it.
Non, papa receipt à même. Papa receipt à même. This is my receipt. This is my receipt. Yes.
Let go.
This is my receipt.
We understand.
You're going to get it.
Yes, this is my receipt. It's not jam. It's not knife.
I got one finger.
I got one too. Hey, don't hit foot.
A foot what? A foot what?
Fat Leo too. Come on, just let go of it. It's not a big deal.
On a police pour nous dire de voler.
Oh my goodness, why you gotta be that
Where's
Nope.
Benji for
What drop?
translation? Mine.
Oh,
Casse boîte moi, casse boîte moi. On casse boîte moi. On casse boîte moi, doit
just
moi.
get in the car.
Yep, she bid me.
Get in the car.
One juice, one warning, and one refusal too many. That's all it took for this Family Dollar stop to explode. She was charged with battery, resisting arrest with violence, and trespassing. In the end, the court later found her incompetent to proceed, and the charges were dismissed.